How to block and unblock websites on a school Chromebook. If you want to block or unblock websites on a school Chromebook, this video will guide you step by step. Sometimes schools restrict certain websites to help students stay focused and safe while using school devices. Let's start with how to block websites. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your Chromebook. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, open Settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Then select Site Settings. Here you will see different permissions for websites, such as camera, location, and notifications. To block a specific website, you can manage site permissions and choose to block access when a website requests certain permissions. Another method is by using parental control tools like Google Family Link. With Family Link, parents or school administrators can block specific websites and manage which sites students are allowed to visit. Now let's talk about unblocking websites. If a website is blocked due to browser settings, you can go back to Site Settings and remove the website from the blocked list. However, if the Chromebook is managed by a school administrator, some websites may be blocked through the school system settings. In that case, only the school administrator can remove the restriction. So if you cannot access a website on a school Chromebook, you may need to contact your school's IT administrator. And that's how you block and unblock websites on a school Chromebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching!